Welcome back. So, namhlanje we're looking into Ulemez. Now, as we know, Ulemez is such a calm, collected, fun person. She's a DJ and the wife of Kuli China. Now, Ulemez is not really known to be in very scandalous things or ey'ndabeni ey'ningi nje kangako. However, there's something that has been going on, and I think it's come to a point where Ulema has said, let me just talk about it, especially because Lo Sisi actor weird. Now, what am I talking about if you don't know? So there's a lady that goes by Real Zulu Girl on TikTok, and basically ukopshela Lemez akukho nje okutheni ukopshela nje istyle salemez, and she goes as far as insulting people on social media when they're calling her out for it, making it seem as if istyle sakhe. Now we all know umuntu nomuntu unestyle sakhe, but come on guys, like isikhathi esiningi most of our style is just inspired by maybe celebrities or influencers, but istyle sethu is mostly inspired by the people we admire or like, or maybe just uthanda istyle sakhe, not even the person necessarily. Now, Lo Sisi, instead of just owning up to the fact that she is inspired by Ulemez, and futhi it's giving obsessed kancane now that I look at it, because from the hairstyle to the tattoos to the way she carries herself now, uze waya as far as getting umngani, I'm presuming umngani wakhe, that kind of resemblance is a resemblance of uSiska Lemez as well. So angazi kahle kahle ukuthi uqondeni uSisi, because very defensive and i-cringe lento angifuna ungasho, like it's very cringe, because vuma nje ukuthi uyamthanda uLemez and istyle sakho is inspired by her. Ayikho nje into exabanisayo, ayikho nje into sokungaze uthuke abantu on social media. Now Lemez has taken her time out of her busy schedule, I'm sure, to just address these things. Hopefully izophela lento and uSisi can just own up to it. Kudlulwe, it's not that deep. I think more than anything in Ticasulu Lemez is the fact that uSistazi is now insulting people on the socials. Asikho isidingo. Kuningi in South Africa and kusazoba kuningi by the looks of things. But yeah, stay tuned and I'll fill you in.